Offshore injuries and the role of lawyers and attorneys. Working on an offshore oil rig can be a dangerous job, and accidents can happen. If you or a loved one has been injured while working offshore, it's important to seek the help of an experienced offshore lawyer or attorney. In this video, we'll discuss what you need to know about offshore injuries and how an attorney can help you get the compensation you deserve. Welcome to our channel. I'm Dr. Amjad Ali Bhatti, and in this video, we'll be talking about offshore injuries and the role of offshore lawyers and attorneys. Working on an offshore oil rig can be dangerous, and accidents can happen. If you or a loved one has been injured, it's important to know your rights and what you can do to protect them. What are offshore injuries? Offshore injuries can occur in a variety of ways. Some of the most common causes include equipment failure, explosions, fires, and falls. These accidents can result in serious injuries, including burns, broken bones, spinal cord injuries, and traumatic brain injuries. In some cases, they can even lead to fatalities. Why you need an offshore lawyer or attorney? If you or a loved one has been injured while working offshore, it's important to seek the help of an experienced offshore lawyer or attorney. An attorney can help you navigate the complex legal process and ensure that you receive the compensation you deserve. They can also help you hold the responsible parties accountable for their negligence. What an offshore lawyer or attorney can do for you. An offshore lawyer or attorney can help you in a number of ways. They can investigate the accident to determine who was at fault and what caused it. They can also help you gather evidence to support your claims, such as medical records, witness statements, and expert testimony. Additionally, they can negotiate with insurance companies on your behalf to ensure that you receive a fair settlement. Steps to take if you've been injured offshore. If you've been injured while working offshore, there are several steps you should take to protect your rights. First, seek medical attention immediately. Even if your injuries seem minor, it's important to get checked out by a doctor. Second, report the accident to your employer as soon as possible. This will help ensure that the accident is properly documented. Finally, contact an offshore lawyer or attorney. They can help you understand your rights and guide you through the legal process. The Jones Act and the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act. If you've been injured while working offshore, you may be eligible for compensation under the Jones Act or the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, LWCA. The Jones Act is a federal law that provides compensation to seamen who are injured while working on a vessel. The LWCA provides compensation to maritime workers who are injured while working on navigable waters or in a maritime job. An experienced offshore lawyer or attorney can help you determine which law applies to your case and guide you through the legal process. Common types of offshore injuries. Offshore injuries can occur in a variety of ways. Some of the most common types of offshore injuries include burns. Burns can be caused by explosions, fires, or contact with hot surfaces or materials. Broken bones. Broken bones can be caused by falls or accidents involving heavy equipment. Spinal cord injuries. Spinal cord injuries can be caused by falls or accidents involving heavy equipment and can result in paralysis or other serious complications. Traumatic brain injuries. Traumatic brain injuries can be caused by falls or accidents involving heavy equipment and can result in long-term cognitive and neurological problems. Conclusion. Offshore injuries can be devastating, but with the help of an experienced offshore lawyer or attorney, you can get the compensation you deserve. If you or a loved one has been injured while working offshore, it's important to seek the help of an attorney who specializes in offshore injury cases.